RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF University.
Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello and welcome to Rhythm. I'm Shreya Vijay and you're watching our special segment Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and join our ever-growing community of career enthusiasts. Birla Education Trust Pilani is hiring for various positions including Public Relations Officer, Pastoral Care Head for Boarding, Bursar for Girls Boarding School, Behavioral Counselor for Boarding Schools, School Marketing and Brand Building Executives, Special Educators, TOEFL and IELTS Trainers, and School Bandmaster. Interested candidates can submit their applications online by visiting the website www.bet.org.in. United Ekta Engineering Udyog Private Limited is hiring for several positions including Head of Finance, Vice President, Sales, National Sales Manager, Manager New Product Development and Manager of Factory Administration. If you aspire to be part of a fast-paced, growth-oriented organization with a dynamic work environment, you can apply at hr@unitedekta.group.com. GLA University Mathura is conducting walk-in interviews for the posts of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor in several streams. Candidates must report for the interview by 10:30 a.m. on 16th June 2024, bringing all mark sheets, degrees, thesis, publications, experience certificates, etc. For more details, please visit www.gla.ac.in. Cram Infracon, a fast expanding infrastructure construction company, has invited applications from qualified professionals for the posts of project managers, site engineers, planning or billing engineers, quality control and stores. Interested candidates may send their CV to info.cram.co.in. Indian Institute of Technology Gandhinagar has invited applications from eligible Indian nationals for various non-teaching posts. For details of the post, application procedures and eligibility criteria, please visit the website www.iitgn.ac.in. Bharat Electronics Limited is seeking dynamic and result-oriented personnel for several posts at its project sites in Madhya Pradesh, including deputy manager and field operation engineers. Interested candidates can visit the official website www.bel-india.in for more details. Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences, Uttarakhand, is currently seeking candidates for positions such as Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor, Senior Resident, and others. Those interested may submit their resume via email to hrd@srhu.edu.in. Indian Institute of Management, Kashipur, is in search of a director to lead the institute. For further information, please visit www.imkashipur.ac.in. You can send your CV along with the duly filled prescribed form by email to scsc2024@imkashipur.ac.in. MIT World Peace University Pune is seeking a visionary leader to assume the role of Vice Chancellor for its forthcoming new university. Interested candidates can submit their CV to vc.selection@mitwpu.edu.in. Shalimar Group, a real estate group headquartered in Lucknow, is hiring for several positions including project head, external development head, finishing head, quality head and others. For more details, you can visit the website www.shalimarcorp.com. So that wraps up today's update. But worry not, we'll be keeping you in the loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.